Sarura Kids.
Fun facts about Zimbabwe and Shona culture. Number 1. The stone city with no glue. Did you know? The ancient city of Great Zimbabwe was built without any cement, just carefully staked stones. It's so strong. It's been standing for over 600 years. Number 2. There is more than one way to say aunt or uncle in Shona culture. Every relationship has a specific meaning as well as a respectful way to remember it. You might hear someone saying, Tete, my nini, my guru. All these mean aunt in English, but all of them have a different meaning to the Shona people. Likewise, you might also hear Sekuru, Baba Mkuru, or Baba Mdiki. These all mean uncle, but in completely different ways in the Shona culture. Each title tells how the person is related to you. And just to make things exciting, Anjadzi or Muningina can mean the same thing depending on who is using the word. Number 3. Sadza power. Did you know Zimbabwe's favorite food is Sadza, a thick maize porridge you eat with your hands? Roll it into a bowl, dip it in sauce, and eat. Yummy. Shona word Sadza, thick maize porridge. Number 4. Names tell a story. Did you know? In Shona, names have meanings. Tendai means give thanks. Ruvarashe means flower of God. Tanyaradzwa means we have been consoled. Number 5. Talking to the ancestors. Did you know? The Shona believe their midzimu ancestors protect them. People sing, dance, and play Mbira at ceremonies to connect with them. Shona word mudzimu, ancestors. Number 6. Thanking people the totem way. Shona people have totems. What is a totem? A totem is something sacred that identifies a clan or the tribe of people. In Shona, you will hear people thanking someone using their totem. Sometimes they even have a poem that goes with it. For example, Maita chirandu gono mshaya chiraswa madzimai anoya ega. Number 7. The magical thumb piano. Did you know the Shona people play the Mbira, also called the thumb piano? You plug the keys with your thumb and makes music that sound like falling rain. Shona word Mbira, thumb piano. Number 8. The caterpillar snack. Did you know? In Zimbabwe, some people snack on Mopane worms, big chewy caterpillars full of protein. Yum, yummy. Maybe not for everyone. Number 9. People who turn into birds. Did you know Zimbabwean artists carve stone sculptures that sometimes show people changing into animals like birds or lions or other animals? These are inspired by old Shona legends. Number 10. Shona people love the folk stories of Tsuro na Gudo. Shona word Tsuro means hair. Gudo means baboon. Ngano za Tsuro na Gudo tell us many colorful stories of the hare and the baboon. Some of these stories tell of the pranks hare plays on baboon, and yet others tell of baboon getting his own back. These are great stories that always have a lesson if you listen carefully. If you enjoyed learning these fun cultural facts with us today, please subscribe to our channel for more videos on Zimbabwe and the Shona culture. Goodbye. Muve nezuva rakanaka.